Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with analgesic and antipyretic. Myself, Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori. This is part 1. Now let's start with learning objective. After watching this video, student will able to understand the analgesic antipyretic agent, to classify analgesic antipyretic agent, to give nomenclature to analgesic antipyretic agent, to understand properties of analgesic antipyretic agent. Let's start with introduction. Everyone knows analgesic drugs are used on the pain. Then what is pain? Pain is a symptom of many disease which requires analgesic treatment. Analgesic is defined as they are agent that selectively relieve pain by acting in CNS or by peripheral pain mechanism. An analgesic or painkiller is any member of the group of the drug used to achieve analgesia, relief from the pain. Analgesic drugs act in various ways on the peripheral and central nervous system. Analgesic, any drug that relieves pain selectively without blocking the conduction of nerve impulse, markedly altered sensory perception or affecting consciousness. This selectively is an important distinction between analgesic and an anesthesia. Now, analgesic drugs act in various ways on peripheral and central nervous system. Opioids produces analgesic by binding with specific G protein coupled receptor in brain and spinal cord. NSAIDs, that means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, inhibit the activity of both cyclooxygenase 1 and cyclooxygenase 2 and thereby the synthesis of prostaglandin and thromboxane. Inhibition of COX-1 and COX-2 leads to anti-inflammatory, analgesic and antipyretic effect. Now classification of narcotic analgesic. Narcotic analgesic are classified as naturally occurring, that contains morphine and its analog, for example morphine, codeine. Then second major class, totally synthetic drugs. These again subdivided into 4 groups. Morphinone analog, for example levorphenol. Then second benzomorphinone analog, for example pentazocine. Then 4-phenylpiperidine analog, for example pethidine. And phenylpropylamine analog, for example methadone, dextroproxyphene. Then narcotic analgesic are mainly used to relieve moderate to severe pain. They are also used to suppress non-productive cough, that means antitussive, to induce sleep in presence of pain, and to control diarrhea. Their use is limited due to addictive property, respiratory depression, and decrease in gastrointestinal motility leading to constipation. Now let's start with antipyretic analgesic or febrifuges. Pyrexia is a condition where body temperature has been rise above the normal level. The rise in temperature may be due to infection or other diseases. The drug which lowers the rise or elevated body temperature and brings it to normal are called antipyretic. These drugs have no effect on normal body temperature in therapeutic doses. Thus, they differ from hypothermic agent, for example chlorpromazine, which brings body temperature below the normal temperature. An antipyretic means from anti means against and pyretic means feverish, is a substance that reduces fever. Antipyretic causes the hypothalamus to override a prostaglandin induce increase in temperature. The body then works to lower the temperature which result in reduction in fever. Narcotic analgesics are the class of medicine that are used to provide relief from moderate to severe acute or chronic pain. They may also be called as opioidal analgesic or narcotic analgesics. During the use of several antipyretics, some drugs were found to be excellent analgesics, which are useful to relieve minor pain like headache, backache, etc. Hence, they are also called antipyretic analgesics or minor analgesics. They are different from narcotic analgesics in two main features. That is, they have low activity in normal dose and their large dose will not relieve severe or prolonged pain. Now, classification of antipyretic analgesic. Antipyretic analgesic may be classified on the basis of their chemical structure. Aniline and para-aminophenol derivative, for example acetanilide, paracetamol, then salicylic acid derivative, for example aspirin, and pyrazole derivative, for example analgin and antipyrete. Now let's start with individual monograph. First drug is morphine. It has analgesic activity and it is an alkaloid. It is the principal alkaloid and mainly it is obtained from opium, the partly dried latex from in-seeds unripe seed capsule of Papaver somniferum. It is belong to phenanthrene class of alkaloid and it contains morphinone as a heterocycle. Property: morphine occurs as white needle-like crystals. It has bitter taste. It is very slightly soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, but soluble in boiling alcohol and solutions of alkali hydroxide. It is levorotatory and is monoacidic base. Morphine hydrochloride occurs as a silky crystals and white crystalline powder, which is odorless and has bitter taste. It is soluble in water and practically insoluble in chloroform. When it is treated with formaldehyde solution in presence of sulfuric acid, it gives purple color which changes to violet, and this test is used for identification purpose. Second test: when it is treated with solutions of potassium ferricyanide and ferric chloride solution, it gives bluish green color. Stability and storage: it is affected by light, hence it is stored in well-closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is used for control of moderate to severe acute and chronic pain, especially associated with neospasm. Then, as a pre-medication prior to surgery due to calming and sedative property, to suppress response to intraoperative surgical stimuli, to treat diarrhea, to reduce gastrointestinal peristalsis activity, to suppress cough, to relieve dyspnea of the left ventricular failure and pulmonary edema. As a hypnotic when insomnia is due to pain, to elevate relief, anxiety due to pain, as an adjunct to anesthetics for the pain relief and to reduce anxiety. Dosage form: it is available in the form of morphine injection, morphine and atropine injection, morphine and ammonium chloride injection, morphine and ipecacuanha mixture, morphine and kaolin mixture, morphine hydrochloride solution, morphine suppository, and the brand names are Ziprol and Chirana. Thank you dear student for watching this video.